Okay, good afternoon, grade 9. So dito sa topic na to, tuturuan ko kayo how to use the basic proportionality theorem in solving triangles. Okay, so first is we must know how to find a proportion or form a proportion based from the triangle given. Now, from the triangle proportionality theorem, it states that if a line intersects two sides of a triangle, then it divides the two sides proportionally. So, so meaning if a line intersects two sides of the triangle and parallel to the third side, then it divides the two sides proportionally. So in here, you know that this arrow indicates parallel sides. So this to DE parallel to BC. So this is now using the basic proportionality theorem. You can form different proportions based from the triangle. So one proportion is that ED is to DB is equal to AE is to AC. Okay, so you can also use ED, the first part is to the whole part. ED is to the whole segment, which is equal to EB. Equal to the part here also, EE is to the whole part also, which is equal to EC. Okay, another is you can also use this DB. DB is to ED or the whole part. DB is to EB equal to this part also EC is to the whole part, which is equal to EC. Next is you can also use this DE. DE is to BC equal to ED is to the whole part, EB. Okay, so you can also use this part also. Okay, DE is to BC equal to EE is to EC. So there are many proportions you can form from this triangle. So let's now apply solving parts of a triangle. Okay, so the problem is you are going to solve for x. Okay, so in here, to solve for x, since this is part of this side, the whole side, then to form a proportion here, you can use this part over this part. So x is to 2 is equal to 5 is to this part, which is equal to 8 minus 5 equal to 3. So this is equal to 3. Okay, so to use the proportion, product of the extremes is equal to the product of the means. 3x product of the extremes equal to the product of the means 2 times 5 equal to 10. So x is equal to 10 over 3. 10 over 3, or that is equivalent to 3.333. So approximate is 3.333, or just simply use 3 and 1/3. Okay, as mix. So in decimal, that is equivalent to 3.333, or just write 10 over 3. Okay, so next is you are going to find BC. So this is the missing. So that's what you are going to solve. Okay, so in here, to form a proportion, you need use of this 5:10. Okay, so part is to part. 5:10 is equal to, or 5:10, 50 is to blank. So it's better we will need use of this one. 5:10 is equal to 50 is to 10 plus BC. Okay, let's say BC is equal to X. So X plus 10. Okay, so you can reduce first the ratio here. Instead of 5 over 10, you can use 1 over 2, which is now equal to 50 over X plus 10. So product of the means is equal to the product of the extremes. So product of the extremes is X plus 10, which is now equal to 50 times 2 equal to 100. So X now is equal to 100, and then minus 10 will give you positive 90. So X is equal to 90, or simply BC is equal to 90. Okay, so next is solving for X for this problem. The ratio is X plus 2 is to 8. X plus 2 is to 8. So part is to part. Part is to part also here. 5 is to 12. Okay, so 12x plus 24. So product of the extremes is equal to the product of the means, 40. So 12x is equal to 40, then minus 24. So you transpose the 24 to the other side, that is minus 24, from positive to negative. So 12x is equal to 40 minus 24 is equal to 16. So x now is equal to 16 over 12, or simply equal to 4 over 3. So this is 4 over 3. Now, if that is 4 over 3, 2 plus 4 over 3, that is the length of this side, x plus 2. Okay, anyway, what we are solving here is the value of x. So x is equal to 4 over 3. Next is solving for x again. So here the ratio is x is to 4. X is to 4 is equal to 16 is to x. 16 is to x. So if we cross multiply, x squared is equal to 64. So therefore, x is equal to 8. Okay, so 8 is to 4, so that is 2 is to 1. 16 is to 8 is also equal to 2 is to 1. So therefore, x is equal to 8. Next, number 6, solve for x. So here, instead of we are using x is to 6, 5 is to 8, we will use this proportion. X is to 5, so you can also use this. X is to 5 is equal to 6 is to 8. So if x is equal to 30, so that is dividing both sides by 8. So x equal to 30 all over 8. Dividing both by 2, 15 over 4. So x is equal to 15 over 4, or simply that is 3 3/4, or 3.75. So x equal to 3.75. Okay, thank you again guys sa pakikinig. Subscribe na lang kayo sa aking